This is a song of gratitude to the leaders who care, who serve with heart, to His Excellency Governor Moino, to the Senate President, distinguished guards Willa Pabio, from Akwa Ibom State, with love. Humphrey Udumo is here to sing and celebrate these two powerful leaders we have. In a land so blessed with palm and pride, two men of honor now stand side by side. From the hills to the shores, their names we sing. Peace and progress, that's what they bring. Umo, Ito, a shepherd true, with gentle hands he's guiding through. God's will at Papadio, a voice so strong, lifting Akwa Ibom all along.